right now, COVID cases are approaching 2,000 a day again in Michigan. This is more than in last spring when you did have a mask mandate. And Dr. Janae Khaldun just recently said publicly that a mask mandate would help reduce spread, particularly in schools among kids. Given all of that, why don't we have a mask mandate again?
It is a moment where last spring we didn't have vaccines that were plentiful and easy to access. We do now. And so I'm grateful that there are so many school districts and parent organizations and superintendents who are working with their local public health experts to enact masking policies that will protect their students. Almost 60% of our students are in schools that have a mask requirement. That is good because we know a mask in conjunction with a vaccine is the best way to stay safe and avoid continued creation of variants that subject us all to potential future harm. And that's why it's so important in this moment. These local level decisions are really going to make a big impact, and we're grateful and strongly encouraging others to follow suit.
You've said multiple times, and you just said again, you're following the science. Does anyone know the science of this in the state of Michigan better than Dr. Khaldun?
Yeah, Dr. Khaldun has issued strong guidance to our locals to adopt these practices, and that's what we're seeing happening.
Okay, the economic jumpstart details that you released yesterday, is there any one part of this that you prioritize over anything else? And I only ask that because there are obviously going to be negotiations with Republicans, and we don't always get everything we want. So is there any part of this plan that you think is the most important?
Well, it's all grounded in what is going to boost our economy in a way that creates real opportunity and prosperity for all Michiganders. So when we support our middle class and we grow our workforce skills, when we support small businesses and create better jobs, when we invest in community to support continued investment, none of that is partisan. It is all about meeting people's needs now.
Do you have a timeline on how fast you would like to start getting this negotiated with the legislature?
Time's of the essence. You know, we've had these resources for many months. I know the legislature wants to take their time and appropriate, but every day that goes by is a day that we're not deploying these resources to really help people and help small businesses.